Hey, let's go. Today we're visiting the Open Range food truck, where fresh food and color are one and the same. For owner Bill and his team, making high quality food on the go is no problem.
I cowboyed for a living before this,
Okay.
so it all just kind of went together.
It all fit. That's who
Yep.
Bill is, huh?
That's it.
Cowboy on the range.
With our truck especially, we're fast, we're good, and it's just amazing fresh product every time.
Everything is from scratch.
Okay.
So we try to stay as fresh as we can.
Try to make it innovative.
We don't mess around. He puts in everything he has to it, so it usually turns out pretty dang good.
Today we're trying out a salmon sandwich made with a very special ingredient, rose petals.
I never would have thought about utilizing roses on a salmon sandwich. So why that?
Color. For me, food is about color, texture, and flavor.
This is a mouthful of a sandwich right here. Cheers.
Cheers.
This is fresh. This is great. You guys got yourself a winner right here.
Thank you.
So when you get a plate of food, what's the first thing you notice before you even touch it or anything?
The way it looks.
I don't want to eat something bland. I want it to look interesting.
It's more appealing to eat, gives me the feeling that it's healthier.
Do you enjoy salmon?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm glad. So why don't you try this salmon? Take a bite and let's see what
Okay.
you think. Look at that. That's a good bite.
Glorious.
That's really good.
Just flaky, delicious salmon.
It's all there. It's like the whole rainbow.
Just a fresh herb salmon flavor explosion.
I'd order 2 or 3.
So you finish that half and then you can order the other half.
Yeah, that's my plan.